Ooh, it's a snowy day in the town of Everyday, but it's a little bit chilly where Mya Go and her class are headed. Miss Teach is taking them skiing up in the mountains.
I can't wait to learn to ski.
Me too. It looks like so much fun.
It is. I love coming here with my mama and dada. You can ski already? Yep, I'm even learning how to do tricks. I want to do tricks too.
One step at a time, Mya. Let's learn to ski first. All aboard the chairlift.
Luckily for Mya and her friends, they don't have to climb up the mountain. Now they've got their skis on, Mya and her class are ready to start their lessons in the practice area.
The first thing we need to learn is how to balance with our skis on. Use your ski poles to keep steady. Then try lifting each ski in the air like this.
Whoa! It's a little bit tricky, Miss Teach.
Try just lifting your leg, Tommy.
Okay. Whoa! I think I've got the hang of it now.
Next, we have to learn how to stand.
But we already know how to do that.
Standing on skis is a bit different, especially once we're moving. The best way to stand is with our skis straight, knees bent, and leaning slightly forward. Now you try.
Ski straight, knees bent, lean slightly forward.
Very good. Tommy, you're not quite there.
Whoa! Whoops.
That's better.
If you say so, Miss Teach.
Tommy Stop is really trying his best. Maybe the next thing they practice will be a little easier.
The last thing we have to learn before we can start skiing properly is how to stop.
Haha, that sounds perfect for Tommy.
We can do that by pushing our skis close together at the front, so they make a triangle shape, like this. Now, I want each of you to ski forward, then try and make the triangle shape to stop yourself, like this.
Now, it's the children's turn.
In your own time, Tommy, just relax.
Whoa! Whoops! Here we go!
Watch where you're going, Tommy.
Oh no!
Oh, Tommy, stop!
Slow down, Tommy.
I'm trying! Uh-oh!
Oh dear, look out for the hump, Tommy. Oh, Miss Teach didn't show Tommy how to do this. Tommy has lost a ski.
Look out for that shed.
Stop!
Are you okay, Tommy? I thought you were going to crash.
Me too. I was trying to do everything we learned, but I couldn't do it all at the same time.
Well, there are quite a few things to get the hang of with skiing.
You did really well with just one ski, though, Tommy.
It was sort of better. With one ski, I only had one thing to think about.
Miss Teach, is there a way Tommy could go skiing with only one ski?
I'm afraid not, Mya. Except, maybe there is.
I wonder what Miss Teach means by that.
Here we are.
What is it?
It's a snowboard, sort of like a skateboard for the snow.
That's perfect. You're good at skateboarding, Tommy.
But what if I'm not any good with this, like I was at skiing?
You won't know until you try, Tommy.
Okay, I'll try it.
Yay!
Soon the class take to the ski slope to put their skiing skills to the test too.
Whee!
Nicely done, girls.
Look, everybody. Wow, that was really good, Billy. That's my best trick ever.
Tommy Stop is up next.
Don't worry, Tommy. You can do it. Go, Tommy. He's really good. He's going really fast, too. Here comes the hump, Tommy. That was amazing.
It was lots of fun, too.
I think we could all see that you enjoyed it.
I'm still not a very good skier.
No, but you're definitely the best snowboarder.
Thanks, Mya.
Who wants to go again?
Me!
Oh, I must have a go down the slope. Now, where did I put my snowboard? It's Christmas Eve in the town of Everyday, and Mya Go and her family are getting ready for a visit from a very special guest, Santa Claus. Mya Go, Dada Go and Sammy Go are laying out Santa's milk and cookies, while Mama Go hangs Christmas stockings for everyone.
Where's Doggy Go's Christmas stocking?
I don't know.
Oh, I see it. Now, why did you take your Christmas stocking, Doggy Go?
Maybe he thought the stocking was his Christmas present. It's not time for presents yet, Doggy Go. Santa Claus has to come down the chimney first.
Oh, I just remembered. He won't get down our chimney. It's blocked.
Blocked?
Yes, it's all blocked up with soot. Henry Fix will be coming to clean it after Christmas.
But if Santa Claus can't get down the chimney, how will he deliver our Christmas presents?
Well, he's Santa, so he's probably got his elves to help him. An elf will be small enough to climb in through the letterbox and open the door.
I don't think that's how Santa would do it. He's probably able to make the presents float through walls.
But you don't know?
No, no one does.
Then we have to let Santa know he can't get down our chimney.
But how would we even let him know?
I can send him a letter.
That's a good idea. You write the letter and we'll go to the post office. Santa gets letters all year round.
Mya has written her emergency letter to Santa, but they'll need to be as fast as Santa if they want to send it in time for Christmas.
Dada Go, Mya Go, what's brought you two out here on Christmas Eve?
We have to post a letter to Santa right away, Larry sent.
I'm afraid the last post to the North Pole is already gone, Mya, and we're not open again till after Christmas.
So we're too late?
Too late for what?
To let Santa know he can't climb down our chimney to deliver his presents.
Don't worry about that, Mya. Santa will still be able to deliver your presents. See, his sleigh has robot arms that squeeze into tight spaces. That's how I think he does it. However he does it, one thing's for sure, he'll find his way in. Well, good night now. Merry Christmas.
What do we do now, Dada?
I don't know. It's not like we can stay up all night and open the door for Santa.
You're a genius, Dada!
I am?
And Maya's not done with her merry mission just yet. And now she and Dada Go are back home, Mya can put her plan into action.
I thought I said we couldn't stay up all night.
But we have to stay up, so we can let Santa in the front door like you said.
Is that what I said? I suppose we can stay up a little while longer.
Looks like Mya and Dada Go are in for a long night. Ooh, maybe not that long after all. Staying up past bedtime is harder than it looks, and there's still no sign of Santa. But wait, what's this? It's Santa Claus! How did Santa fit all those presents in there? Mya and her family are going to have a very Merry Christmas this year.
Ho, ho, ho! Milk and cookies!
Santa?
Oh, dear. Phew, I'll just take these for the journey. Ho, ho, ho!
What was that? Well, I better get this little one to bed. Come on, Mya.
Oh, it's Christmas morning at last, and Mya Go has slept right through the night.
Dada, wake up!
Huh? What's going on?
We fell asleep. What if Santa didn't get inside?
Oh, we can check under the Christmas tree.
Hooray!
What's all the noise, Mya?
He was here! He was here!
Oh, wonderful.
We still don't know how he was able to get inside with the presents.
I'm afraid we'll never really know the answer, Mya.
It's okay if we don't know, because we know that Santa knows.
I think you're right. Now, let's see what Santa's brought us, shall we?
Good old Santa. When it comes to making people happy, he always delivers.
Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, where is Everyday? I guess it must be somewhere under all this snow.
snowy? Look, Sammy, everything's white. I think it's time to go outside. Let's go.
Oh, wait for me. I get my scarf and gloves.
Up we go. I've never seen so much snow.
It was frosty last night, but I didn't expect a blizzard.
Wow. How did all this happen in one night?
One snowflake falls, then another and another, until lots of little snowflakes pile up to make giant snowdrifts like this.
That's the same way you make a snowman.
I guess it is.
We start with a tiny baby snowball, and then it grows and grows until it's as big as our house.
It might be too heavy to roll one that size, Mya.
See, Dada? It's Sammy's size already.
Come on, Dada Go. Let's see how big we can make it.
Well, we definitely won't run out of snow.
That's a great start, everyone.
Heave!
Heave ho, heave ho.
Oh, my goodness. They've made it all the way to the park. And there's Tommy Stop with Ruby Make and Mama Make.
Wow! Nice big snowball, Mya.
We're making a giant snowman, Tommy, but it's getting hard to push.
We can help you.
Yes, if we all push together, we can help make him giant. Great, let's build him up on top of the hill.
Ah, yes, the hill.
I think he'll be fine here, Mya. He's the perfect size now.
Oh no, Dada, he's not big enough yet. He will see all of every day from up there too.
But...
Let's give it a few more rolls, Dada. We can make it to the top.
All right, so... Come on, everyone. Heave!
Ah, magnificent. They don't know their own strength. Finally, they reach the top and...
Woo! I got you.
Oh, that was close, Dada Go.
Great work, everyone.
Hoo-hoo! He's almost as big as me.
He will be even bigger when we put his head on. Perfect.
There we go. Ah, lovely.
Oh, it's Miss Coach, out for her morning exercise.
Well, hi, everyone. That's a great snowman you built.
Hi, Miss Coach. It was quite a workout getting in here.
Oh, my.
Oh, dear.
Stop that snowball!
Oh. Hey, wait for us.
Oh, no, it's a runaway snowman.
Heel, Olympus, heel.
Don't worry. We'll get you back together.
Wow! Uh-oh. Are you okay, Miss Coach?
Oh, yes. Thanks, Mya.
Great galleons. Where did this gigantic ball of snow come from?
It's huge. It was us. We made a snowball and it rolled off the hill.
And got bigger along the way.
Wow! We were going to make a snowman.
Maybe it can still be a snowman.
He's looking better already. This will make a cute button.
Very smart-looking buttons. And we're all done. Only one thing left to do.
How can we lift a big head up there?
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Oh, no, not another one.
Watch out below! Oh!
That's perfect.
Yes, I meant that to happen. Oh.
I knew we could make one as big as a house.
It's a starry night in the town of Everyday, and the Go family are getting ready for a...
Happy New Year!
Did we miss it?
It's not midnight just yet, Mya.
I know. I'm just practicing for when we say Happy New Year. New Year? Yes, Sammy. We're staying up late because at midnight today turns into tomorrow, and the whole new year will start again. Huh?
Oh, don't worry, Sammy. You get used to it.
Now, Sammy, we have to stay awake, okay? Uh-huh. Sammy, wakey.
Do you think you'll make it to midnight this year, Maya?
Yes, I'm not even the teensiest bit tired.
You say that every year.
This year, Sammy and I are going to be wide awake, and I'm going to be the first to say Happy New Year! Mama, what do you usually do on New Year's Eve when we fall asleep?
Mostly we stay home, have our own little party and wait for midnight.
What happens then?
We watch the fireworks and we have our own New Year's Eve tradition.
That's right. This is the Go family cuckoo clock.
What's a cuckoo clock?
A cuckoo clock has a little wooden bird inside, and every hour it pops out to tell us that 1 hour has gone by. It sounds like this. Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Ooh! It looks very old.
It is. That's why we only take it out once a year. It's been in the Go family for a very long time.
It's not ticking. Does it need some new batteries?
This clock doesn't use batteries. We have to wind it up and set the time so that it cuckoos 12 times at midnight tonight.
But as we wind, we always try and think of 12 wishes for the new year. One for each hour.
Can you think of 12 wishes?
Got them.
That was quick. All 12.
Easy.
Okay then, wishes ready. Here we go. Oh.
Where's the little cuckoo bird? Cuckoo.
I might know someone who could help. Hi, Mama Make. Any idea how to fix an old cuckoo clock when it's making this sound?
Oh, that doesn't sound good. Can you bring it over? I'm sure I can fix it.
We'll be right over.
Looks like the Make family are in the party spirit.
So, where is this broken clock?
Here it is, Mama Make.
They don't make them like this anymore. It must be very old.
It's so old, it doesn't even use batteries.
Let me have a look at it. Oh, I think I will need a little more time to fix this.
I think Maya has spotted something rather odd.
What's this?
It's our Earth tracker. It counts down the days as the Earth travels around the sun. One trip around the sun takes a whole year.
Wow! That's a long trip.
That's why we have our Make family annual New Year's Eve planet party to celebrate another trip around the sun.
It's a Make family tradition. Winding up our old cuckoo clock and making New Year's wishes is our family tradition. Right, Sammy? Tradition. Sammy, we have to stay awake until midnight this year. Sammy, wakey.
I wonder how Mama Make is getting on.
I'll have this clock ticking again in just one tick. There.
Thank you, Mama Make.
Look, Sammy, it's working.
Looks like someone will be snoozing their way into the new year.
Maya, it's time to keep the Go family tradition going.
I'm wide awake and ready to wind and wish. There. And now, do we wait until midnight?
Yes, Maya.
How long left now?
Well, according to our planetary tracker... Oh, no! Our planetary clock has stopped working. I think it has run out of battery power. How will we tell when it is midnight?
The cuckoo! That means it's midnight.
I knew the old Go family clock wouldn't let us down.
I think all my wishes are going to come true.
Really? All 12?
Yes, because I wished for the same thing 12 times. I wish that I would be awake long enough to say, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Mya Go.